Here we go. Oh, that was huge.
Oh!
All right, YouTube, what is going on? Black Sheep RC, we got the Basher Queen build out here. We're getting ready to hit the ramp. It's like 20 degrees out here, y'all. Freezing. Got kids out here. Let's make this thing happen. Backflip LP, first time ever running them. Everybody runs them, talks about them. Let's see how they do. I'm talking about. Yeah, boy. Oh! Holy hell. Rode a wheelie off beside it. It is cold. Cold, y'all. Very, very cold. Steering sucks. Let's go. That was huge, y'all. Steering only works one way again, as always. Let's hit her again, y'all. That's huge. Oh. That's huge. Oh, that was huge, y'all. Let's hit it bigger. Let's go bigger. Let's go bigger. Yeah! What? We nailing her today, boys. Nailing her. Just ascending it. Boom! Boom! Oh, she come unplugged, y'all. Big hits. What? Y'all see this? That's what I'm talking about. Let's go, baby. All right, y'all, let's see if I can't stand way back here. Oh, that hit hard. My Lord. Didn't see tomorrow, no. Backflip LPs, tearing it up. These are big hits, y'all. Like big hits. Beautiful. Beautiful, y'all. Baby's ripping. Gripping and ripping, baby. Gripping and ripping. Let's go. Let's hit it again. Come on, baby. Let's show them what you got. Oh, baby. Basher Queen build, y'all. Performing flawlessly out here on this cold, cold, cold day. All right, let's see if we can't hit a double backy. Beautiful. Baby. Beautiful. Man, this thing's performing, y'all. RC Lipo 6S pack, 5200 milliamp. This thing is performing, y'all. Huh? I don't know. Kid said, can you get a triple? We'll try it at the end. Yeah. Get a video on the side, kid. Get a video from the side. So we can put another video in there for me hitting it from the side. I don't know if I can hit it from the side. I want people to get a side perspective of how far this thing's going. Yes, I can hit it. Boom! I can't. Yes, I can hit it. Boom! I can't believe I just hit that from there. It came unplugged. Ha! Side angle. Nailed it. What? All right, y'all. My ESC is coming off a little bit. My controllers are dying, beeping in here. So we're going to go for the gusto right here, and we're going to hit this thing as hard as we can hit it. We're going to full trigger it one time, see how it happens. We are going to full trigger this baby. Controller's dying, ESC's hanging out. Oh God, car coming at my car. You ready? Let's go, full trigger. Oh no, we ain't. Hold on, I gotta get closer. I gotta get closer to it. All right, we're going full trigger this thing. Got my kid on the side camera, here we go. Oh, that was huge! That was huge, y'all. One more. That was huge, dude. My God, y'all seeing this? Amazing car, amazing RC car. Hard hit, unplugged her. All right, y'all, that's gonna do it for today. Short but sweet, those was huge hits. If you ain't doing something you love, you're doing something wrong. Till next time, y'all, peace out. Kids, later on, y'all, we love you. Keep the subs coming. If you would like, sub the channel. We're gonna keep doing shenanigans like this every day. So, like, comment, subscribe, all that. Here we go. Hey, y'all, and here's where I get in trouble, because yet again, instead of quitting, one more hit. Let's get her. Let's really hit this thing. Here we go. Ooh, that was... Ooh, that was ramp shaved it. All right, one more try. One more try. Biggest jump ever right here. Here we go. We got her. Upside. Down stall forever too, y'all. Did you see that? All right, there it is. What? All right, kid, you said a triple, right? My kid said a triple. Let's try it. Nope. Nope, I knew it wasn't. I could barely get one. All right, y'all, we love you. We're out of here. I ain't gonna break it. That's it. My kid said, peace out, y'all.